how many days after you arrived did you go to Identity Malta?
14 days already.
14 days already. So let me see if I understood you correctly.
Mm-hmm.
When you got to Malta, you had 10 days left on your visa?
Yes.
Okay. And then you did the medical, and then medical was sent to ICDU. ICDU sends you a report,
Mm-hmm.
and you're supposed to take that report to Identity Malta.
Yes. It's a requirement.
Yeah, you have to take that.
Yes.
Cool. But now you're in ID Malta 14 days later, so your visa's expired.
Yes.
You're illegal.
Yes, because I know to read, and they told me it's okay. The employer told that it's okay because you're already here in Malta, so no worries at all. And I thought there's something because I have the feeling already that there's something.
That is wrong.
That's it's wrong because I feel it, you know. And then
So
the day comes, we're already in Identity Malta, so we're excited and a bit, nervous, all of us. And then here comes you go, where they check, first thing they check the passport. Oops, you're already expired. So even the documents that we have, they didn't check already.